now like to shoot you to hell.
Whoa. I camp around the corner. Camp around the corner. Call of Duty all day. You're dead now, aren't you? Aw, you're dead. Oh, what happened? Don't you have any friends? Oh, no. That was the guy who we talked to in the first cutscene. And then he showed up after the first level. And we killed him. We didn't kill him. We wounded him. Because the other guy was Pepe Le Pew, and we did, in fact, murder him. Because he was French. And that's why we did it. So, looks like there's nothing around here. Sweet business. So that guy's dead. He died. I camped around the corner. I killed him. And it looks like... How did he get here? I had to open the gate. He must have dug a tunnel or something. I'm not sure I like where this is going. Like, what's over here? It would have sucked if there were spikes. Oh yeah, nice. I didn't see that column and I just ran right into it. Laura, you should be a little smarter. It's like sometimes I just think you're stupid on purpose. Sweet. So, nothing over here. But there will be. No, like demon spawn or something will pop up there. So let's keep our back to that and pick this up and... Ah, yeah, sweet, we're done. I didn't find the secret, which was Uzi's probably. Oh, the sun is so bright. Oh, no. Not used to it. Oh, who's that? Is that Speed Racer and Racer X? Oh, no.
Oh. You just pulled the tough end of a wishbone. Howdy.
Afternoon.
I like it rough.
Left Larson sucking wind then, eh?
If that is the phrase.
Well, your little vacation riot's over now. Time to give back what you've hijacked off me.
Let's try the lunchbox.
Wasn't I paid by her to do this? Like, isn't she my boss in all this?
Well, kill her!
Hey!
Run, Laura, run. Slow motion run. Jump! Freedom!
You
Swan dive.
morons!
So my guess, the game's not over yet. We're
Let's
gonna have to break into her place and steal it back, probably, and then do another level after that. This game is really good. Pop that wheelie, Laura. Am I gonna have to do like a bike driving segment? I'm down with that. She is driving super quick. This is like Happy Wheels. There's the yacht. Sweet. Oh no, the boat's getting away. Luckily, our motorcycle also doubles as a sea-doo. Oh, she's gonna jump it. Go, Laura. There's like 2 different sound effects for the motorcycle. Oh, what are you doing, girl? Oh no, you done it. So majestic. And they're like, oh.
What the heck was that?
What the heck was that?
Probably just a fish.
Fish.
Had to be some fish, kid.
Man, you have got to learn to chill. I'm going back inside.
Sexy.
You coming?
Oh, she gonna sleep there? She's just gonna take a little bit of a nap. Okay. Exploring is hard.
Here she goes.
We ready yet?
This is a good nap. Great. Another island. With at least 2 goons on it and that wench who I thought we were working for. And that guy didn't notice the splash. Excellent. Nice lovely cave. Probably don't have to worry about any crocodiles or alligators down here. Instead, maybe a shark. So. Well, there's the boat. Oh, we're gonna have to worry about people. So, waterfall. Boat. That's too high to get up. So, let's swim over this way. Where am I going? I'm pressing the wrong buttons. I'm sorry. I don't have any weapons. I have ammo. I only have 10 Uzi clips. I don't know if that's good. Like, that might have been my bad. But, I should have been able to make it. I'd just like to say that. So, do I have to be like super stealthy? I should say, because we're here, and the game doesn't automatically save or do checkpoints or anything cool like that. And okay, that's cool. I'm very bad at stealth. Very bad at stealth. And if this is going to be one of those things where they expect me to be stealthy, oh man, they have another thing coming. Huh. See, there's that platform there, and I can't do anything with it. But there's that one, and then there's like a tunnel over there, and there's also that, so. No weapons still. Maybe I'll get to fist fight someone. Maybe everyone's sleeping. Hello guys, if you're sleeping, stay sleeping. I am just a fish. I am just a fish. Just a fish. A fishy fish. Fish. A bat could kill me now. I can move this. This is a box that can be moved. Right? Yeah, it is. So resourceful, using the environment around her. Laura will be able to move this box to where? Maybe that's good enough. It is good enough. Look at that. And I can't do that. Sons of the beaches. So, is there like dynamite I have to pick up? Does this cart do anything? Okay, can I move this? No, I can't move that. I can't open the other gate because I don't know. I do not know. This level's already going great. They need less texture and more definition for their walls and stuff. Okay. There's probably something like a lever or something to push. I'm thinking like an explosive barrel bomb thing. Yeah. I don't see anything. This is great. Already going swimmingly. The problem with this game is they don't tell you shit. So, you're left to figure everything out. Everything. And if you overlook it, that's because you're dumb. Like me. So, let's see, that goes up there. That goes that way. I really can't push this at all, right? Huh. I wonder... I don't think I'll be able to move this thing. Where are you going? Where are you going, girl? Where are you going? Maybe we'll just move this. No. Move it. And maybe we'll be able to push it into that cart of doom. Copyright, cart of doom. Yeah. If we can. We're gonna have to back up one more. And I don't think we're gonna be able to move it any further because this little barricade thing's gonna be in the way. But we'll try. We'll try. She's already not able to move it backwards. Okay. So that's out of the way. We no longer have to at least jump. Like, she should be able to, like, kick that down. If she can move that boulder, she can kick that crappy wooden fence out of the way. Ah, sons of bitches. This is great. Just great. Okay, obviously I missed something. And I will be back once I have figured out said solution. Okay? Thank you. 2 seconds. Okay, so it looks like there is a secret passage underneath the falls here. So, see, there's the boat, which I would like to point. How the hell did they get the boat here? Because you have to go swim under there. Maybe we're at high tide or something, but underneath the waterfall is this little passage. That didn't take me too long to find, but hopefully I'll remember to edit some of that stuff out. And there's a lever, which we're going to pull, and it opened one of the doors, which lead to another lever. So that's what I was looking for in the first place. That lever might blow the cart up at the end of that rail system. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Because it certainly is. Am I going to have to ping pong back and forth between these? Am I? Am I going to have to run back and forth between these? Is that what you're telling me?